A really powerful feature of Corel Painter is the Weaves feature. Now, Weaves, back in early days of Painter 3, Painter 2, that sort of time, was really powerful. There was a weave language. You could create literally thousands of different designs. Unfortunately, that feature is long gone. But we have Weaves. So how can you access these weaves? What you need to do is go to Edit and then Fill. And then instead of current color, go down to Weaves. And you will see here a drop down and you can see all the weaves you've got. Now you've got this library. That's the only library that's supplied with Corel Painter. And you can select it. So let's just select this one. Here's one. And then you can change the opacity and then click OK. Now you'll notice here you've got this Weaves panel. So where are all the panels? Go to Window and down to Media Panels and you've got Weaves and Weaves Library. So what you can do, Weaves Library, let's just go to Weaves Library and select a weave. I'm just going to go, say, with this one. And you can see that one or maybe this one. Nice little weave preview there, tartan. Or what you can change is horizontal scale. You see, as you drag this out, you can create a design like that. Or go down here, horizontal thickness, and you can modify that. And some will have an effect, some will not. And you can then modify these settings. Again, some weaves will actually have some value and others it won't. And then you go to Edit and then Fill. And again, select Weaves and click OK. And you get that design. Well, what you can also do with this, once you've filled, of course, you can then go to Effects and you can go to Surface Control and apply surface texture. So select that and then go down there to maybe image luminance and you can then create softness, amount, and you can get a three-dimensional effect as well with your weave design. Now, unfortunately, weaves really do not appear anywhere else in this application. So if you go to other areas, you've got here Express Texture, you've got Original Luminance, Paper, those options. But sadly, Weave is not available. But again, there are a number of weaves here, and I'm just going to select another one here. You can select it here. Again, you can see this change here. Then you can go to Edit and Fill, or simply go to Weaves here, click here and select the weave. But also the great thing about this, cancel that, is you can tweak this one in many different ways to create sort of effects like this, the thickness, and also the scale there, crunch it there, and change that. But sadly, the only thing you've got is this preview. You've only got preview. The only way to actually use it is again, Edit and then Fill and then Weaves and click OK. And you can see the result of that. So you can create some truly interesting designs. You can also, of course, then go to Effects, Focus, apply Motion Blur, Tonal Colors. So if you want to change the colors, adjust colors, maybe go for something like that and click OK. And that is the Weaves feature in Corel Painter. As mentioned, in earlier versions, if you can get a copy of an earlier version that you can use of Corel Painter, Painter 3 especially had a great number of options within this Weave feature, which you could then manipulate in countless ways. Hope you found this of interest. If you've got any questions or thoughts about the Weaves feature, also if you know of any other way of using the Weaves feature in Painter, it'd be really great if you put that in the comments, because it's something that I think is a great feature of Painter that would be nice to explore in even more ways. Please subscribe to the channel, always adding new tutorials all the time about Affinity Photo, Painter, as well as Photoshop and also other applications as well. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.